How you doing, folks? This is your boy, Cincinnati Clad King. What is the problem with most foldable drones? Stay tuned, I'll tell you. The problem with most foldable drones is this. It's the landing gear. These drones hug so close to the ground that when you turn them on and the camera has to calibrate and move and get straight, it's so close to the ground. You ever try taking off from grass on one of these foldable drones? It's gonna grab your camera and not let it calibrate properly. This is the DJI Mavic Mini, and it has that same problem that it hugs so close to the ground. You really can't, you really can't get a good takeoff. Or when you land, you're gonna land in, let's say, grass, which is a problem. You're gonna land in sand if you're on a beach somewhere, and that's a problem too. Or you're gonna land in dirt that has the same effect. So what I did, I purchased some landing gears, some extension landing gears. I looked at a lot of them. I didn't like most of them because a lot of them attach to the bottom of each area. And as you can see with the Mini, you don't have any legs on the back. It's just flat. So what I purchased was this. And again, let's look at it. If you look at this, it's like a skid. That's what it reminds me of. Like a little skid. And it fits on the bottom of the DJI Mavic Mini. It snaps right on. And now it's going to give you that added height that you need. And it's also, it's balanced. It's in the middle. All legs are the same height. Again, I've seen the ones that you attached onto each arm, but I don't like those. And I think they make some that attach onto the back that gives you a leg on that too. But I like this much, much better. So I like this much better. And again, it's really nice. It hooks onto the bottom. It actually snaps on, and you can squeeze these legs together. Pop them right back off. Snap right back on, right here, and they're great. I like that. So I'll leave a link on where I purchased this at on the bottom in the comment section. So if you like these, they're very reasonably priced. I think they were under $10. I think it's just best. So if you like that, let me know. Leave comments. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Your boy again, Cincinnati Clad King, signing off.